Hey Goshenites, how y'all doing out there? This is Crypto Goshen, back again with another quick video, I hope. What I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be showing you how to purchase a cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange that is outside of the US. Obviously, the largest centralized exchange in the US is Coinbase, followed by Gemini, then Binance.us. You'll find out here as you go about doing research from where you can buy a token from. That's going to guide you and help you determine how you go about making that purchase. So one of the tokens I've been following the last couple of days because it's part of the Bitcoin ordinal narrative for 2024 is a new token that launched a few days ago called Orange, and the ticker is ORNJ. You can see the current price is 59, right at 60 cents. Really should have bought this yesterday. I didn't, got tied up doing some things, and obviously that cost me 63% because I didn't buy it yesterday, but hey, it is what it is. I do expect, because of the fact that this is part of the Bitcoin ordinal narrative, that this could easily do a 10x. So my goal is to dollar cost average. I'm going to do $500 right now, and then maybe hope that it goes down to anywhere between 40 and 50, and then get back in and make another purchase for $500. I want to put $1,000 in this token in the next few days. So with that being said, so I'm using CoinGecko. You guys know this is one of my favorite crypto research sites, CoinGecko.com. Oh man, as I'm talking, it's going up, so I need to hurry up. But anyway, part of what you want to do once you have made the determination to buy a token, the next question is, where do you buy it? As you recall, you would click on markets, and it's showing me a list. These are all centralized exchanges here, with the exception of Unisat and OKX ordinals. So I have an account with Mexi, which is a centralized exchange that is outside of the US. So this is going to hopefully show you guys how to buy a token on a centralized exchange that is outside of the US if you are in the States. Most of you guys in the States obviously are using Coinbase, and if you're outside the US, you're probably using Binance.com, and they're not listed on Binance either. I expect they will be down the road, but until then, I want to go ahead and make a purchase right now. So because of the fact that I have an account with Mexi, I'm going to make the purchase here with Mexi. One other thing, it also lets me know the trading pair. So this is their ticker again, ORNJ, and it lets me know that I'm going to need some USDT, that's Tether, which is a stable coin, to be able to swap that USDT for Orange. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pivot over to, I know I have in one of my Phantom wallets, let's see, I have a little over $1,000 in USDC. And so what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to send that USDC, which is right now on the Solana blockchain, because Phantom, which is this wallet here, this is a Solana wallet, blockchain wallet, if you will. So I'm going to send the USDC that I currently have. Remember, I need the USDT to swap it for the Orange. But what I can do is, once I get the USDT out of this wallet into Mexi, then I'll be able to swap that USDC to USDT. And then once I make that swap and trade, then I'll be able to trade the USDT for the Orange token. And so let me see here. All right, so I have about $2,000, and of which I have $1,030 in USDC. So what I want to do now is pivot over to Mexi.com, already logged in. And again, so I'm looking to deposit right now, or transfer or withdraw out of my Phantom wallet USDC. And I want to move that USDC into my Mexi account here. And then once I get it into the Mexi account, then I'm going to swap that USDC for USDT. And then I'll use that USDT to buy the Orange token. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on wallet. Got a few dollars here. And by the way, once you have consummated a deal and purchased whatever token you're looking to purchase in a centralized exchange or on a centralized exchange that's outside the US, You want to get that token out as soon as possible in one of your Web3 wallets or decentralized wallets like Trust, or you can send some to MetaMask. One of my favorite is the Exodus wallet, which is this is the icon here. But anyway, let's go ahead and proceed and start the process. So again, I have USDC and I want to deposit that. So I'm going to click on that deposit. That's coming from the Phantom wallet. And I want to change that from Tether to USDC, which is right here. I could have typed it here, but it shows up here. And now I want to make sure that I'm choosing the right blockchain where I currently have that USDC. Because remember, I'll be sending it from Phantom, which is on what blockchain? It's on the Solana blockchain. And so I need to make sure when I'm choosing the USDC that I'm choosing the USDC for the Solana blockchain. And there it is here. So I'm going to click on Sold. And then it lets me know the delay in the Sold chain scanning may lead to a delay in your deposit, which is fine. I'm good with that. Just a reminder. And now what it's going to do, I'm going to click here for Mexi to generate the deposit address for USDC on the Solana blockchain where I can send it to. So I click on this. This is just stuff here. I'm going to cancel that, which is fine. And this is the address I need. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And if you're doing this for the first time, you may not want to send everything. I may not want to send a full $1,000. I may want to test it, right? So what I'll do, I just copied this address. You'll see it ends in UHA5. I'm going to go back here to my wallet. It's my Fountain wallet. This is a web extension wallet. And I'm going to click on USDC. And let's say instead of me sending the full 1,030, I want to send $20. I want to make sure that this is going to actually work the way I expect it will, right? So I'm going to go ahead and paste that address that I'm sending it to. Remember the last 4 digits, UHAA. I copied that, paste it here. Now it's asking me for the amount. I'm going to do $20 right now. And then I'm going to click on Next, and I'm going to click on Send. Typically, transactions on the Solana blockchain are really, really fast. So we'll see how quickly we get the $20 deposited over in the Mexi account. So I'm gonna leave it here for a second and let's see. I'm gonna go back to a wallet and see if it pops in. I'll leave that there and see if it pops in while I have it open. And so remember, I had $35 in there, so this should jump to what, 55 bucks or so. Click off of it, go back to it. And I'll let this run for another 30 seconds. If not, I'll pause the video and come back because it could take maybe a minute or two. And normally when you're sending tokens from one wallet to another wallet, I'm sending it from one wallet, the Phantom wallet, to a centralized exchange. But if you do it from wallet to wallet, it's like within 5 to 15 seconds. Certainly because it's going to a centralized exchange, it's going to be a little longer. So that's fine. We'll wait here another few seconds, and if it doesn't pop in the next 10 seconds, I'm going to pause the video, wait till it comes in, and I'll show you the deposit. And then the next step is, remember, we'll have USDC here, and I'll send the rest. And then what we want to do, we want to swap that USDC for USDT. Bam. Oh, great. As I was talking, you saw that just went up to $55. So I feel good about this whole process, obviously, relative to the fact that I did everything I should have done to get those USDC tokens from my Phantom over here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click copy again. I'm going to go back and send the rest. So I'm going back here. I got another 1,000 and I'm going to send it all. So I'm going to click send. I'm going to paste that address again there. Last 4 digit, want to verify that. That's what it is. And I'm going to do max now. I want to send the rest of that over to Mexi. I'm going to click on send. Remember, anytime you are doing transactions or trades in your Phantom wallet, it uses Solana tokens to pay for those transaction fees, and the fees are de minimis, really, really small, maybe less than 10 cents. So just make sure you have a little Solana in your wallet like I do here. I think I have, let's see, how much do I have? They only have $3.24, so you don't need much to be able to do transactions on Solana, which is another reason why a lot of folks love that whole blockchain, including myself. So now I just sent the rest. I'm going to pivot back over to Mexi, and we'll wait until the rest of those dollars show up. And so once the other dollars come in, my next transaction is going to be to swap or trade the USDT for to trade the USDC for USDT. And so we'll wait until that pops in here in just a minute. Certainly, as I'm making the video and we're waiting, if you have any questions based on anything you've seen, feel free to put those questions down below. And again, what I'm doing, I'm showing you guys how to make transactions between a wallet and a centralized exchange that's not in the US, or where you may be, because you got to remember, you can only buy tokens where they're listed. And I showed you a list earlier of tokens or exchanges here where this token was listed. And so that helped me determine, okay, Goshen, where are you going to buy it from? Well, I have a Mexi account. So that's when I started the process of thinking, okay, where do I get the $1,000 that I want to invest from? Well, I had 1,000 and some change in my Phantom wallet in USDC. So I'll use that to send over. So that's where we are. Let's go back here, and I'm hopeful that they're there. Look at there really fast. So I got $1,065 there. And what I want to do now, $1,065. So now what I want to do, I want to go ahead and trade, go back to wallet so you can see it here. Just a second. There it is, the USDC. And so what I want to do now, I want to swap the USDC for USDT. So I'm going to click on spot. And this is spot, what they call spot trading, where I can literally buy the tokens quickly using a market trade. Before I buy orange, what I want to do now, I want to click on USDT, and I want to find the USDC pair. So we're going to scroll down. Y'all watch it with me. I'm scrolling down. You see USDT. Now I'm looking for the one that's paired with USDC so I can swap those two. Okay, so I've identified that pair, the USDC USDT pair, by just typing in USDC, and it came up here. Hope you guys see that. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down, and I want to make the swap. So again, it shows that I have USDC. I have $1,031, and I'm looking to swap this for USDT. And so what I'm doing, I'm selling this USDC for the pair I created, which is USDT. So what I want to do now, you can either put the amount in here, so I can manually type in what I have, $1,031. But instead of me doing that, I know I want to use all of it. So I'm going to take this slider and take this all the way up to 100%. Could have done that. Let me take that back. Or I could have just done this. That's all of it. And now I want to sell that USDC, and you'll see how quickly how quick this happens. Before I do that, I want to do a market order, not a limit order. A limit order could take a little longer. Market order execute in real time. And so I'm going to change that to market first. And let's do that again. And I want to swap all this USDC for USDT. So I'm going to click on that. Finicky. Just slide that over. And then we're going to sell USDC. Bam. So you'll see now I have $1,031 in USDT. Remember, going back here, I need that USDT to be able to swap it for this orange token. So I have now USDT in my account here with Mexi, which is awesome. And now what I want to do is gonna go back here, and I want to find that token. The ticker was ORNJ, I believe. There it is there. So that's the pair, ORNJ to USDT. Remember, just quickly, ORNJ to USDT. That's the pair. So I'll be swapping the USDT now. Once you click it, you'll scroll back down. Make sure it's set to market, because I want to do a market order. And now I want to, instead of doing all of it, I want a dollar cost average. So I'm going to buy some right now and hope that the price goes down. Where's the price now? 63. I think when I started the video, it was like 50 something. So we're going to do 50%. Or I could have obviously just divided that by 2 and typed in the 526, but we're going to do 50% of what I have. I want to buy some orange. And bam, ordered successfully. So now I have 849, roughly 850 orange token in this account, and the rest is in USDT. And so that is it. So I'll be monitoring the price of orange throughout the day. I'll probably set some alerts in CoinGecko on my phone. So if it gets down to maybe, let's see, maybe 50 cents, I'll try again. Certainly if it jumps up to 80 cents, I may have to jump in a little higher because I think it's going to do a 10x at some point. So, but part of what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to obviously minimize me having to pay too much for the token on the front end so I can maximize my profit. So this is Crypto Goshen again. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, you and I are blessed to be a blessing. Have a great one. Bye-bye.